ويعلمك متعة التعلم والمعرفة.
تسعة وسبعون
79.
الصفات 2
Adjectives 2.
Adjectives 2 أنا لابس ثوبا أزرق.
I am wearing a blue dress.
I am wearing a blue dress. أنا لابس ثوبا أحمر.
I am wearing a red dress.
I am wearing a red dress. أنا لابس ثوبا أخضر.
I am wearing a green dress.
I am wearing a green dress. سأشتري شنطة يد سوداء.
I'm buying a black bag.
I'm buying a black bag. سأشتري شنطة يد بنية.
I'm buying a brown bag.
I'm buying a brown bag. سأشتري شنطة يد بيضاء.
I'm buying a white bag.
I'm buying a white bag. أحتاج لسيارة جديدة.
I need a new car.
I need a new car. أحتاج لسيارة سريعة.
I need a fast car.
I need a fast car. أحتاج لسيارة مريحة.
I need a comfortable car.
I need a comfortable car. هناك فوق تسكن امرأة كبيرة السن.
An old lady lives at the top.
An old lady lives at the top. هناك فوق تسكن امرأة سمينة.
A fat lady lives at the top.
A fat lady lives at the top. هناك تحت تسكن امرأة فضولية.
A curious lady lives below.
A curious lady lives below. ضيوفنا كانوا ناس لطفاء.
Our guests were nice people.
Our guests were nice people. ضيوفنا كانوا ناس مهذبين.
Our guests were polite people.
Our guests were polite people. ضيوفنا كانوا ناس مهمين.
Our guests were interesting people.
Our guests were interesting people. لدي أطفال محبوبون.
I have lovely children.
I have lovely children. لكن الجيران لديهم أطفال وقحون.
But the neighbors have naughty children.
But the neighbors have naughty children. هل أطفالكم مؤدبون؟
Are your children well behaved?
Are your children well behaved?